Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Steam account on mobile. All right, let's begin. First, open any web browser on your mobile device, such as Chrome. In the search bar, type Steam and open the official Steam website. Once the site loads, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner and select the sign in option. Now, scroll down and tap on Create an Account to begin the registration process. Enter your email address, select your country of residence, and then tap Continue. Steam will send a verification email to your inbox. After verification, enter a unique Steam account name. Make sure it hasn't been used before. Create a strong password, confirm it, and proceed to finish the account creation process. Once done, your Steam account will be successfully created and ready to use. So that's basically how you can create a Steam account on mobile. That's it for this video. Thanks.